Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Floor Scratch Repair Kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for homeowners and renters who want to restore the beauty of their hardwood floors without the hefty cost of professional repairs. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using a floor scratch repair kit to achieve professional-looking results, covering everything from identifying the right kit for your floor type to mastering the application techniques for a seamless finish. Number 5. Furniture Repair Kit. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and scuffs on your furniture. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, saving you time and money. It includes 6 repair markers, 6 wax sticks, and a sharpener, all in a convenient package. Everything you need for professional-looking results. With 6 colors to choose from, maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, and black, it's easy to find the perfect match for your furniture. No more mismatched repairs. These high-quality markers and wax sticks effectively cover scratches, nicks, and discoloration. They provide a permanent and flawless finish. Simply color over the damaged area, let it dry, and watch the scratch vanish. It's that simple. Plus, the included sharpener keeps your wax sticks in perfect condition. No need to call an expensive professional. With this kit, you can easily repair your furniture yourself and save money. What we like? This kit has various colors to match your furniture. It's easy to use, just draw over the scratch and watch it disappear. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution for minor wood scratches and are comfortable with DIY projects, this is a great option for you. What people say? It's so easy, clean, and fast. Follow the directions. Start with a lighter color first and wipe immediately. This way, only the scratch gets colored, and it blends in perfectly. It's incredibly easy, clean, and fast to use. Just be sure to follow the directions. Start with the lightest color and wipe immediately. That way, only the scratch gets filled in, and it blends in perfectly. The ink dries quickly, and I would recommend having a rag or paper towel to buff out the ink as you apply it to blend it in. There's a few colors in the kit giving it some versatility, but I only used a couple that matched my furniture. Number 4. RamPro Furniture Markers. This 17-piece kit is your solution for repairing scratches and blemishes on all your wooden furniture and floors. It's easy to use and provides professional results. It matches most wood finishes, ensuring a seamless blend. The wax crayons are perfect for hardwood floor repairs. The large tip markers allow for even coverage of larger scratches, while the chiseled crayons are ideal for smaller spots and details. The marker caps are attached to prevent loss, and the small attached piece prevents rolling. It's thoughtfully designed for easy use and storage. Use it on furniture, floors, moldings, and more. It instantly covers blemishes, chips, and nicks on various wooden surfaces. The kit includes 8 felt tip markers and 8 wax crayons in a range of colors to match most wood tones, including black, maple, oak, cherry, walnut, and mahogany. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides both felt tip markers and wax crayons for versatile scratch repair. The chiseled tips allow for precision in smaller areas. If you need a variety of tools and prefer a more precise application for various scratch sizes, this kit is for you. What people say? The color match is perfect, all the scratches and worn edges look like new again. Over 5 years of kids, cats, and movers tearing up my wood TV stand, this worked just great. The markers and crayons are easy to apply and blend seamlessly with the wood, giving it a polished look. Number 3. Rejuvenate All Floors Restorer. Is your floor looking dull and scratched? It's time for a simple solution that will restore its shine and protect it from future damage. This product makes it easy. This amazing restorer fills in those unsightly scratches and brings back the original luster. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Whether you have hardwood, laminate, or tile, it works wonders on all types of flooring. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your home. Forget the hassle of sanding. This easy-to-apply formula requires no sanding, saving you time and effort. Just mop it on and let it work its magic. Simply mop it on, and it dries in just 45 minutes. It provides up to 50% more traction and lasts for months, protecting your floors for longer. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, any high-traffic area in your home or business. It's tough enough for commercial use, too. This high-quality floor restorer is made right here in the USA, ensuring superior quality and performance. You can trust in its effectiveness. What we like? It's easy to apply with a mop and works on all floor types, no sanding needed. If you are looking for a convenient solution to restore shine and fill scratches on various floor types without the hassle of sanding, this is the product for you. What people say. Restore shine. This polish did wonders for my lackluster LVP floors. They have a radiant shine that traditional mopping just couldn't achieve. Fills in light scratches. I can't comment on deep scratches, but the Rejuvenate polish did a great job of minimizing the light scratches on my floors. After one application, I was very impressed with how my floors shined. It didn't do much for the scratches, but it did make the floors look the way they did after they were refinished. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Wood Stain. Transform your wood surfaces with our superior wood stain. It's fast-drying, low odor, and non-toxic, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This highly concentrated stain provides excellent coverage and even color penetration. It works wonders on all types of wood, quickly restoring their beauty. Choose from a wide range of colors to perfectly match your project. One coat is all you need for even, beautiful coverage. It's a water-based formula, making it safer for you, your family, and the environment. Easy to use and clean up, too. Seal and enhance your stained wood with our complimentary wood waxes, varnishes, or oils. These will protect your finish and add extra shine. Get professional results with our easy-to-use wood stain. Bring new life to your furniture and other wood projects. What we like? This stain comes in 12 colors and dries quickly, and it's water-based for easy cleanup. If you're looking for a professional-looking finish with a wide color selection and prefer a water-based, eco-friendly option, this is a great choice. What people say. So easy to apply, dries quickly and a perfect match with beautiful finish. Easy to apply. Goes on nice and even and is a beautiful teak color. The color is deep and covers well. Number 1. Trade Secret Scratch Remover. Does your beautiful wood furniture have unsightly scratches? This revolutionary product will effortlessly conceal those imperfections, leaving your floors and furniture looking their best. It's specially formulated for dark-stained hardwoods like walnut and cherry. It blends seamlessly, restoring your wood's natural beauty without any wax buildup. From pet scratches to everyday wear and tear, it hides light damage effectively. It enriches and conditions the wood, leaving a smooth finish. Furniture restorers and cleaners love it. It provides a streak-free, wax-free finish that revives wood, quickly and easily. Made with a coconut oil base and 0 VOCs, it's safe for your home and pets. It gently conditions the wood while concealing flaws. Try it risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. What we like? Specifically designed for dark wood, it's wax-free for a streak-free finish and eco-friendly. If you have dark hardwood floors or furniture and want a natural-looking repair without wax buildup, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Took care of all scratches on my doors. We have been trying to get rid of the door scratches for 5 years but did not get any solution. This is magical way to make the door look like new. It is a very good product. I actually saw some surface scratches practically disappear before my eyes. The more involved damage to the table looks so much better. You really have to look to see where any damage was. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.